So me and the husband, the captain, are starting this Mediterranean diet thing. And today we're cooking with Green Chef. And the meal is a Gryo-Spiced pork tenderloin kale salad. So let's see, what do I have here? We have our pita bread. And I just kind of used some napkins today. I didn't want to mess up a whole bunch of dishes. So we've got some pita bread here that's all cubed up. We've got kale. Here's our kale. We've got dates. Here are dates. And so I've sliced those to about 1/4 inch. And those were 4 dates. We have Roma tomatoes. Got them on a paper plate here. They're all diced up. Also, in the Green Chef packet was balsamic vinegar. What is this here? Sour cream with dill, with sweet dill. Sour cream with sweet dill. Honey. And this is feta cheese. And granulated garlic. So we seasoned the pork tenderloins with a type of gyro seasoning and also added a bit more of salt and pepper to it. We've got our pork tenderloins browning here. I'm about to put those in the oven. So this is about 400 degrees and these are gonna just finish cooking here in the oven for about another 10 minutes or so. So we are preparing a meal for 4. So hopefully we can have some leftovers for lunch tomorrow. We're gonna see if our end result looks like this. So I have a medium bowl here and I've placed those cubed pita pieces into the bowl. I have my olive oil here. I am removing our pork tenderloin from the oven. This is salt and pepper, granulated garlic, pita bread, and a little bit of olive oil. And we'll just give it a nice little stir here. I've spread out the seasoned pita bread onto a baking tray that is lined with foil. And we'll put this in the oven and let the bread toast for about 7 minutes. So our pork looks beautiful and it's resting right now until we get the other ingredients together. So here I've taken this same bowl and I wiped it out, same bowl that I had the pita bread in. I wiped it out and I added the balsamic vinegar, the honey, a little bit of salt and pepper. The thing about these recipes is that it adds salt and pepper at every stage. But if you're watching your salt intake, you have to be very careful about doing this so that your recipe isn't so salty in the end. Or maybe it's just not good for you to have all that salt in your recipe. Here you can see the pita bread is toasted. I've added the kale to the balsamic vinegar and honey mixture. So here you're to massage the kale and just ensure that every piece is coated with the honey vinegar mixture. To the kale mixture, I've added the tomatoes, the dates, and about half of the feta cheese. And so now I will toss this. This is the salad all tossed. At this point, I will slice the pork tenderloins, about 6 to 8 slices for each. All right, this is the captain's plate, y'all. How'd I do? I hope he likes it.